Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best cordless water flosser with a rechargeable battery. Except, instead of traditional charging, it runs on AA batteries, making it exceptionally travel-friendly. Introducing the Waterpik Cordless Express Water Flosser, model WF02. Let's unpack everything you need to know about this compact oral care powerhouse. Right out of the box, this flosser looks sleek in white, lightweight, and cleanly designed for one-handed use. It runs on 3 AA batteries, which are included. That means there's no need to find an outlet, carry bulky chargers, or deal with cords. Just pop in the batteries and you're good to go. It's designed for simplicity, especially for travelers and people with small bathroom spaces. Now, let's talk about performance. The Waterpik Cordless Express offers 2 pressure settings, allowing you to choose the level that feels best, whether you want a gentle cleanse or a more powerful stream to remove stubborn plaque. It comes with 2 interchangeable flossing tips, which is a great bonus if you want to share the device or just have a spare ready. The removable reservoir holds up to 5 ounces of water, which gives you about 30 seconds of continuous flossing time. It's also top-rack dishwasher safe, so cleaning it is a breeze. And yes, it's waterproof, designed specifically for safe use in the shower. That's a convenience feature you didn't know you needed until now. This flosser uses a combination of water pressure and pulsations to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas. It targets those tricky spots that brushing alone might miss, helping prevent gingivitis, cavities, and bad breath. In fact, it's ADA accepted, meaning the American Dental Association has evaluated and approved it for safety and effectiveness. That's a big deal in the world of dental products. The build quality feels sturdy despite its compact design, and it fits well in hand. The battery compartment is easy to access, and Waterpik recommends changing batteries every 1 to 2 months depending on your usage and battery quality. For people who prefer not to deal with rechargeable lithium-ion maintenance, this battery system might actually be a plus. Waterpik is one of the most trusted brands in water flossing, and this model continues that legacy. If you're a frequent traveler, someone with limited counter space, or just want a no-fuss, reliable way to upgrade your oral hygiene routine, this is a solid choice. It's easy to use, hygienic, and effective without the need for charging cables or docks. Just keep an eye on the battery life and keep a few spares on hand, and you're all set. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into products that help make your life easier. See you in the next one.